wherever I go. Oh yeah, yeah. Jah loves what I
Yo, Street 2 TV, yo, the UDM TV, Tuna represent, see? Yeah, Darcy, Flask, and Marcy. Modern vampires of the city, anti-blood, blood.
This is where you really reside. Please step outside. She asked him why, and they replied. What I say? They say, we don't want no trouble. We don't want no trouble today. Yeah, 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 yeah. Where you come from, people die every day. I'm safely, that's where you should.
You feel alright? Rule the nation with mercy.
Jah never forsake you. Jah love you. I know my Jah love me. Yes, I know Jah will never leave. I know, yes, I know Jah with me. I go. Oh yeah, yeah. Jah loves what I know. Let them talk the evil talk. Let them do their wrong one. Their heart is filled with hate and grudge. Yeah, my heart is filled with love. Oh yeah, and they shall see the fire bright. Oh yeah, yeah, burning through the dark. You know what? Yes, I know why Jah love me. Yes, I know Jah will never leave I alone. Yes, I know Jah with me wherever I go. Oh yeah, yeah, Jah loves what I know. To myself, I have to love. When they wish for my downfall, still I walk with love in my heart. Yeah, yeah. And all evil is destroyed. Oh yeah. And they shall see the fire bright. Oh yeah, yeah. Burning through the dark. You know something? Yes, I know why Jah love me. Yes, I know Jah will never leave I alone. Yes, I know Jah with me wherever I go. Oh yeah, yeah. Jah loves what I know. If you know such a love, let me see the song. If you know Jah love, let me see the oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Come you know such a love, you have song. Oh yeah, yeah. I know, yeah. I know why Jah love me. Yes, I know. Jah will never leave I alone. Yes, I know. Jah with me wherever I go. Oh yeah, yeah. Jah loves what I know. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jah loves what I know. A lot of people like to talk. When you do it in my talk, I just let them talk. That's what they do, right? People talk on the crossfire. Sure. People talk. That's what they do. They don't understand. Holy Spirit, push out the trouble. Yes, they laugh. When they do, they call your name. But they just don't get it. Oh, them see me up on my head, I'm just the same. When them see me, them just keep on. I'm in a cinema, just keep on running. I've got my pride. Me not go show the backside. Some of them see me as a big joker. Wanna feel it, I want me to feel it over. Oh no, not I want somebody. Never let them get you down. Never let them see you. Never let them take away your liberty. Live your life and be free. Never let them get you down. Never let them see you. Never let them lead you astray. Starting today. Live your life your way. I say, when you go through hard days, when you feel pain, when you end up in a desert, and I wonder, hey, did I realize I'm leaving my dream? Don't take away, but I just let them go. That's why I should have your business on Sunday. I'm happy to be here with you tonight. You love reggae music? Let me hear you say reggae. Say reggae. Never seen you rock so bold. Now it's time to play. All of you. Moving like the wind blows. As night becomes a day. And when you rock, I know you want to go slow. Ooh, to where I don't know. When you rock, rocking is the truth. So when I talk about reggae music, I talk about lyric keyboard band. I'm only in the reggae music, so you hear the keyboard band going. And then you see me start to skank it up. Only in reggae music, oh reggae. And then I talk about hearing the bass line roll. And when the bass line roll, all of the ladies' waistline start to roll. And all the man them pops up. And the reason why I have a back in because the Guineas are Heineken and something like that. Alright, and then I talk about hearing the drum beat. And when the drum beat, we move how we feel. When the drum beat, we hear the message of our ancestors. When the drum beat, alright, and I talk love you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause when I love a woman and a woman love a man, I judge a blessing. And I tell you, Gabriel, I love you. You know it's a blessing, yeah. Cause when a boy love a girl and a girl love a boy, it's judge a blessing. And I tell you, baby, I love you. You know it's a blessing, yeah. And it is a must, loving you, my dear, is my life. Just a spirit, just smile, I love you. I'm dreaming of tomorrow for me and you. I make you my reality, girl. I don't need a woman to satisfy your needs. You can count on me to think and think supporting you do. Everything, yeah. But when a man love a woman and a woman love a man, I judge a blessing. And I tell you, baby, I know you know it's a blessing, yeah. But when a boy love a girl and a girl love a boy, I judge a blessing. And I tell you, baby, I love you. You know it's a blessing. Cause no matter where we go around the world, I can tell you, Friday I was in Sweden, Saturday I was in London, and today I'm here. And oh yeah. And all of the fun them up sing to the ladies and the ladies to the fellas. So we're gonna do each practice and all of you. You ready to say yeah? Say yeah. Come on. Say yeah. Hey. No, sir. Alright. So Kevin's gonna do the male part for you. And then I'm gonna do the female part, and then we're all gonna sing together. Here we go. But when a man love a woman and a woman love a man, I judge a blessing. And the ladies singing, I love you, you love me, it's a blessing. Your turn. When a man love a woman and the ladies singing. Man, there is so much fun tonight. Who do you think is winning right now? Is it the ladies or the men? Alright, let me try one more time. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And the ladies singing. One more time, here we go. And the ladies singing. Give me a quick. You want to know the music that when now is what I need. Loving you is like love, Johnny and Mighty. I don't know if you enjoy and see. I don't know if that was free. And loving you is